How to fix the error that says something went wrong, please try again later in Snapchat. If you're facing similar issues, then I'm going to show you how you can fix that. The first thing that you want to do is head over to your phone settings and scroll down until you find your app settings. Now inside your app settings, all you want to do is scroll all the way to the bottom and find your Snapchat. Once you find your Snapchat, just tap and open the app settings. Now head over to your storage and clear cache. What this will do is if you clear cache, it will clear out all of the junk files and you will be able to use the app normally again. Now head back and head over to your permissions and make sure all of these permissions are allowed, because if these permissions are not allowed, the app won't be able to function properly. And after you do that, your app should be running smoothly. But after you do this, just make sure to restart your phone and your app should be running smoothly. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.